Hello guys, I am Shubham Kirme. So today's our video topic is what is SQL in Java. So what is SQL? So let's see in the details. So SQL provides a basic and advanced concepts of SQL, but the let's our SQL tutorial is designed for both beginners and as well as the professionals. So SQL is the structured query language, and this language is used to perform an operations on the records and it stores in the database, such as updating records and inserting records, as well as the deleting records, as well as the creating and the modifying database tables and views, etc. So SQL is not a database system, but it is a query language. Suppose you want to perform the queries of SQL language. On the stored data in the form database, and you are required to install any database management system in your laptop. So let's see an example. What is a SQL? So SQL is a short form of the structured query language, and it is the pronounced as SQL. Sometimes sequential database. So this database is mainly designed to maintain the data in the form of relational database management system, and also it is a specified tool that is used by a data professional, and it is used for handling the structure of data in the form of the tables as well as any other. It is also designed to stream processing RDBMS, and you can easily create and manipulate the database appears and modify the data rows, data table into the rows and columns, etc. So this query language become the standard of the AWS in the year of 1986, and the ISO in the year of the 1980 something. If you want to get a job in the field or data science, then it is the most important language, and this SQL language have a very large demand in future, like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. We use the SQL for storing the data in the back end. So why we need SQL? So nowadays SQL is widely used in data science and analytics. So there are some reasons which I would like to explain why it is widely used. The basic use of SQL, it is for the data professionals, and SQL users is to insert and update and delete the data from the relational database. SQL also allows the data processing professionals, and it is also uses users to retrieve the data in the form of the relational database. So database management systems, and also it also helps to them to describe the structures data, and also it allows the users to create, drop and manipulate the database and its tables. SQL also helps the creating into the stored procedure and function. In the relational database, it also allows you to define the data and modify the stored data, modify that stored data in the relational database. And also it also allows SQL users to set the permission to set the permission constraints of the table columns and views, and also the stored procedures. So let's see the history of SQL. So sometimes it's most important for ourselves. Our relational value of the data of large string data and blank was a paper which was published by the great computer scientist, that is the East Bond, in the 1981. Process of SQL, when we are executing the commands of SQL or any relational database management system, the system automatically finds the data and finds the best routine to carry and out the required and the SQL engine, and that SQL engine determines how to interpret that particular command. So SQL means the structured query language. It contains so many components in the process. So first one is the query dispatcher, the second one is the optimization, third one is the engines, and the fourth one is the classical query, and the fifth one is the SQL query engine, etc. There are so many types of commands. So that's all about the SQL language. Thank you guys.